In this tutorial, we'll go over how to use Midjourney to animate still images and how to share your project files via the Pibox service. Head over to midjourney.com and sign up. You can register using a Google account, for example. To unlock the animation feature, you'll need to purchase at least the basic plan subscription. Here's an important detail. To animate images in Midjourney, you can't use the classic Discord method. Animations must be generated directly on the Midjourney website. Once you're logged in and have the active subscription, you're ready to animate. Click this icon in the Explore tab. Then, choose the image you want to animate and upload it through your browser. Let's try animating this possum. The image is uploaded. Now, we need to write a prompt in this field. To help with that, we can use ChatGPT. Let's upload the possum image into ChatGPT and ask it to generate an animation prompt for us. A prompt from ChatGPT is usually more than enough to generate a high-quality video because it's detailed, well-structured, and tailored to the image. Great! The prompt is ready. Now we can simply copy and paste it into Midjourney. Click the triangle icon to begin generation. The finished video will appear in the Create tab. Let's go there now. Here we go. Our possum is being animated. You'll see the progress bar here. The animation is complete. Let's see what Midjourney came up with. This is version 1. Let's check out version 2. This one looks a bit more realistic. Let's view the third version. You can even see some dynamic camera movement here. By the way, you can also upload images to Midjourney via drag and drop. Let's drag and drop an image into the browser and release it in the Drop Image to Describe field. Then switch to the Create tab. Midjourney will generate a description of the image for us. Now, we can even use this description as our prompt. Time to upload the image we want to animate. Drag it into the Starting Frame field and hit the triangle button on the right. Let's see what we've got. Not bad. Now let's try animating a human photo. Drag and drop the photo into the Drop Image to Describe field. Midjourney will generate a description we can use as our prompt. Add the image. Just drag and drop it. Now drag and drop that same photo into the Starting Frame field. That way, Midjourney can use it for the animation. All right, the animation has started. Let's see how it turns out. This version looks a lot more cheerful. Not bad at all. Now let's try extending the video. Hover over Extend Auto and click it. Midjourney will add an extra 5 seconds to the current animation. Let's see how Midjourney extended our video. It used to be 5 seconds long, now it's 9. Let's check out the added part. Yep, the final seconds are new content. What other options do we have? The beginning stays the same, but the endings vary slightly. To download the video to your computer, select the one you want, open it, and choose how to download, either as download video for social media or as a RAW file, which will be larger in size. Let's take a look at the downloaded video. It was downloaded as an MP4 to our computer. Now we can share it with our teammates to continue working on the project. To recap, use the Explore tab to generate animations, and check the Create tab to view your rendered results. To see how many credits you've used, go to My Account, Manage Subscription. In our current plan, we've already used up about a third of our credits. That means we've got only 2 out of 3 hours left. Hours here refers to time spent generating static images. But since we've been generating video, those hours get used up much faster. The basic plan is just enough to get familiar with the tool and start learning how it works. Now let's use the Pibox platform to share our files with teammates. Go to the Pibox website, sign up, and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see this dashboard. Here's where we can upload our files. Let's create a new project. We'll name the project AI Girls. Now we can start dragging in the files we need. Just drag and drop them here, and our video files begin uploading. Click on the Files tab, and you'll see the files being added to the project. All right, the files are uploaded. Now let's share them with our teammates. Specifically, we'll share the project with one of our team members. You can find your teammate by email and add them to the project, or simply copy the project link. Now your teammate can access the project files and leave comments on the video. After sharing files with our teammates, we can start receiving their feedback. Here, we can see that my colleague has left some comments on this file. We've opened the file, and on the right, we can see their comment. We can reply right here. Notice that the comment is linked to a specific time range. We can also leave our own comments tied to certain moments. For example, here. In addition, we can add our own notes. As you can see, these notes appear alongside the comments. Thanks for watching.